Hello, and yeah, welcome. This, I guess, is a brief overview of what we have accomplished in the previous month or so of our Eclipse project or RPG project, of what you want to call it. So yeah, I'll show you. I'll go dive right into it. Basically, what we have right here is a basic RPG level. It's obviously not completed, but yeah. You can toggle through with debug mode and whatnot, toggling F2, which you can see we have collision as a thing, so that's what we added. A player position, level, like, it really doesn't matter now, FPS and current level. They both have effects to it and help us debug it, the program. You can also see right here, this is a trigger, and what triggers do in our level, in our game, they essentially they activate an event, and depending on what type of trigger it is, it will activate the event differently. For example, this trigger right here is a collision repeat, so essentially when you collide with it, it'll keep repeating itself. And yeah, I'll go over it, and you can see you're walking in an empty room, which obviously isn't true. That's for different, you can add different triggers that assign different events, and they're in files. The events are actually located in our script file, which are events. And yeah, you can basically load any of these events into the level and assign them to be an event. This helps with many ways of our game outside of the program, where you can change it and basically do almost anything, manipulate it. We can see right here, this is a collision repeat as well. I've made this load a different level, which we are not going to do right now. This one was collision activate, which you can collide with it as much as you want, but you have to activate it. So activate it, and it just destroyed some blocks in collision. Yeah, and this needs a lot of work, but we're still working on that kind of feature. And I'll go to a different level. So you can see it loaded at a totally different level. And what we have here is just a cool level overview. Water, and yeah, you can see we have different layers of tiles. This tile layer, it's over, so under, like, we can basically go under it and make a cool effect, essentially. So what we have right now is collision. You can see that there's collision walls right here, and yeah, this is an example level of loading the game. Yeah, some more things to show you. We have a good tile sheet to work with, but we still need some good pixel art, and you see we don't have a character image. I'm going to close on. For testing and debugging stuff, you can run the level without actually typing in any commands whatsoever by creating a shortcut and giving it some arguments, which say load level 1.txt, which it will load that level. We are probably going to remove this feature later on, since it's just a debugging feature. And yeah, it's pretty cool though. Like, if you like this kind of stuff, playing around with this kind of stuff, like, you could say just like load level 2, you could run it, and it'll load level 2 instead of level 1. Some people find it fun, some people don't. It's just a debug thing for us, I guess. And what else we've added also is key mapping, which is located in the directory of the file, which it always will be. And we have key mapping of basically you can reassign different keys, our action key, our move right key, left, up, and down. We're going to change these later. Well, we're not going to change them, but we're going to add more key assignments later on, and it's just going to be more helpful for the user to change the assignment keys. So yeah,